Okay, so now I want something that, highlight the selected item in the gallery. Okay, this is very nice. So in this task, I will use the template field properties of the machine tab to specify a highlight color for the selected item. So you can decide how you want to indicate the selected item. Okay, so you will also change the label field for this gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go here in my gallery type. Okay, here, remember? So it's this one. Okay, and I will go on my label here. Okay, so remember I have my gallery type, I have image machine type here, and here my the label here. Okay, for the text. Okay, so this is the machine type here. Okay, so this one will be the machine type. So let's change the name. Okay, LBL LBL. Take your time. We're not in a hurry. You don't have a movie to see. Okay, so I'm gonna go in this one, machine type, and the field value. Okay, I'm going to use the PowerFX formula to set the label field to dark red for the selected item. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say that if it's selected, put the color dark red. Okay, so, so if it's selected, color dark red. You could also fill the property with, I don't know, like fill 75% if you want. So we recommend that I use this approach so that the field color match the header of 75% if you want. Okay, so that's it. So now how can I see if it's working? Okay, I can do like for example, if I do alt and I click on it, you can see the color. Because if I go to main screen here, if you want to test it, if I do like alt in my keyboard and I click on it, you will see that he will change the color. Okay, so that's very nice. So now let's do a small okay. So you see the colors is changing. I don't know if you see something. My problem actually is that when I change here, when I click on it, it doesn't change nothing here. That's okay. So we'll have to change it. But actually it's working correctly. The color is changing. And here we don't have any unselect, so nothing will happen. So now I'm going to filter the machine gallery based on selected machine type. Woohoo! So I'm going to select now the gallery machine, sorry. Okay, that's it. So now I have the gallery machine and this one is here and gallery machine is here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do a filter. Okay, so I'm going to use the filter function to filter item in the gal machine. Okay, to only display machine that match the selected item in gal machine. Okay, so I'm going to select the gal machine here. Okay, so here's the machine, gal machine. I'm going to select the item, okay, to do the following formula. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is happening. So this is very, very nice. So if I go in gal machine here, and I will do a filter. So for that, I'm going to select item. Okay, so item, and I will type this amazing formula. Okay, so that's it. Oh, sorry for that. Let's do it again. Let's do a copy paste. So I'm going here and I do that. So how it's working here is that if I ask to Copilot, okay, explain this formula, let me see. So this expression filter the machine table to include only the rows where the machine type match the type ID of the selected item in the gallery machine type. Okay, so if I select something here, it will display only what I need here. So the machine should now show machine that match the selected item on the machine type here. So if I try to do it and I do a run, now if I click on it, see, woohoo, all is changing here. See, See the price of this one? So that's really amazing. See how it's working? It's very, very nice. I love it. That's really amazing. Okay, so it's okay. So that's why the machine type selected that you select here, okay, the type ID and machine type ID, and that's why it's working very fine. Okay, so now I'm going to set up text label in the machine gallery. Okay, so I need to add a price, okay, thing like that, because I need now to have the price under everything. I don't have the price here, okay, but the price is okay, but it's not in like a dollar or what you want. So I'm going to go in my gal machine here, gal machine, okay. And within the tree view, I'm going to add the dollar. Okay, so to the subtitle. Okay, here's the subtitle, and I need to add the dollar sign to the subtitle. Change the text value of the expression. Okay, so I'm going to say this item price. Okay, this item price, and I want to change it and put in dollar and to put 200 at the end. Okay, so you can also change the for European locals, you can also change it if you want. Okay, but actually, let's do it. Okay, so here I'm going to go in my text price, and I'm going to change now. Okay, the text price here. So it's going to be this item, and I'm going to put this. Okay, so that's good because there is a comma here, and that's really fantastic. So now I'm going to do conditional formatting to headline machine above 10,000. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that in my gal machine here, okay, in the subtitle, I want to change the color. Okay, so I want to do something is that here, okay, I want to change the color of the price. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to say that I'm going to display the price and set the color value to the following. Okay, so I'm going to say color orange, red, color gray. So if value is more than 10,000, I'm going to change the color here. So I'm going to do it for the color. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to change color. Where's color here? Color is here. And I will go here and now do something that I love. It's this formula. So if you don't understand it, okay, you can go here and ask to explain the formula. This expression set the colors of the subtitle control to orange and red if the price of this item is greater than 10,000. Otherwise, it set the color to gray. That's amazing. Now, Copilot is crazy. Okay, so now let's preview the app. Let's save it. And now my color will change if it's more than 10,000. Okay, so if I go here, the price doesn't change. Colors stay here. But if I go here, bam, the price is changing automatically. So that's really very, very nice. Okay, so in the next section, I'm going to show you how to add a checkbox to add a machine to the compare list because I want to do comparison. Woohoo! So let's stop this video and do it after.